Hello everyone, welcome back once again. This is On-Chain Mod. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to convert your BTC to USDT. So in case you have some BTC in your Binance exchange, or you've bought some BTC using the P2P section of Binance app, or someone sent you Bitcoin and you just want to convert it to BTC and you just want to convert it to USDT, you don't know how to go about the process, then you have to watch this video to the end so that you understand every little bit of what I'm going to show you, and so that you don't do mistake for any reason. And kindly ensure that while you are watching, you like and subscribe, and let's get started. For you to be able to start the whole process, you have to download Binance from the Play Store. You have to register, confirm your registration by linking in your government issued ID card. For you to have full access in the app, you need to complete the KYC steps. And for you to be able to complete the KYC step, the first place you have to go is to head over to this section right here and submit the necessary details in the settings section. And after you've submitted all your necessary details, then your account is going to be automatically verified right here, and it's going to be showing verified right here. All right, now after your account has shown verified, you can now start trading freely in the app. Now the purpose of your account being verified is the fact that you will have access to a lot of features and some other things that are limited, some other things that are supposed to be limited will be made available to you to use them. All right, like some key features in the app here, and trading with higher lot sizes and depositing higher amounts. For you to be able to use those like to be trading with a higher lot sizes and investing huge capitals, you need to complete your KYC. All right, so now after completing your KYC steps, then you ready. So what you have to do, the first step is to ensure that this particular app is in the exchange section, not in the wallet section. Okay, now you have to, by default, is always in the exchange section, but just for confirmation, always confirm if it's actually in the exchange section. All right, after confirming that is in the exchange section, now you have to look below the bottom right corner right here and click on this asset. All right, but mind you, before you click on this asset section, always ensure that you have some BTC in your available wallet. Always ensure you have some BTC in your wallet. Let's click on that asset, and then now how you confirm that your BTC is in your wallet right here, you see the amount always right here. After clicking on this asset section, you you will see the amount, your total amount right here. And if you have some BTC, you can as well see the BTC just at the bottom corner, and you can see the dollar equivalent of your BTC right at the right hand corner right there. Okay, now it's going to show right here. Okay, after clicking on this asset section, this page is going to load up. All right, now you can see overview. If you look at the top, you see overview, you see earn, you see funding, and you will see spot. Now we are going to be concentrating on this spot. Okay, so you click on this spot section right here. All right, after clicking on this spot section right here, you head over to this BTC and you click on this BTC. The money is already available in BTC, like I said. Okay, so you just head over to BTC where the money is sitting, and then you click on it. Now it's going to take you to this page. Okay, now you can also see your BTC right here, the amount of BTC right here. After you've converted your BTC, you can be seeing the equivalent right here. Okay, now like I said, if it takes you to this section, now look at where you have this convert BTC to other cryptos. You click on this section right here. Okay, you click on that section. Then while you're doing this, ensure that your network is very stable. Okay, then it's going to load up this particular page. Now you can see, I think it's still loading up, but you can see from right here, this from right here means that you are converting, you want to convert from your BTC to USDT. I think let it load. When once it loads, you will see the logos right there. Okay, just give it some time. Now see BTC logo right here has shown. Just leave it like this. Okay, don't click any other thing, just leave it like this. If you look at the right here, you see the dollar equivalent of your, that is the worth of the BTC that you initially had in your exchange, is going to be showing right here, and it will be greater than 0. Okay, and then if you look right below, you can see to USDT. This to USDT here is simply signaling you that you're about to convert your BTC to your USDT. All right, now after confirming it, just go ahead and click on preview right here, and then after previewing it, it's going to request, the system is going to request for you to confirm the transactions, and after you confirm the transaction, your BTC is automatically going to be converted to your USDT right here in this section, guys. All right, it's going to be converted automatically to your USDT. Okay, and then when you go back, you can now see, if you go back, you can now see that the amount is going to be showing right here. Okay, it's going to be showing right there. Or another way to see that the USDT is showing, you have to scroll back, and then you see that the USDT now is going to be showing right here, and the dollar equivalence of that BTC that you converted from here is going to be showing now right here. Okay, so this is just basically how you go about the process of converting your BTC to USDT. But in case you have any other question, or there is one more thing, any other thing you don't understand, kindly leave it at the comment section. And don't forget to like, share this video to your loved one, because sharing is caring. See you in the next video.